If you have acne, you've probably tried the creams, the antibiotics, maybe even Accutane or the birth control pill. Your skin's probably cleared up for a while and then bam, it comes right back. And it can be so frustrating. I get it, I've been there too. I'm Dr. Shannon. I'm a naturopathic doctor who helps women clear their skin naturally, and I've also had acne myself. And in today's video, I'm going to share why most acne treatments don't give you lasting results and what actually works instead. But first, I'd like to share a bit about my story because perhaps it's a little bit similar to yours. When I was about 17, I went on the birth control pill for my heavy and irregular menstrual cycles, but in my early 20s, I decided I wanted to get off of the pill. But shortly after stopping the birth control pill, about 2-3 months later, my face just broke out in the most painful, cystic, inflamed acne, and I had never had acne before. I tried everything I could think of, everything I could get my hands on, retinoids that burned and dried out my skin, antibiotics that just tore up my gut. Sometimes things would seem to kind of help for a little while, but my skin always just broke right out again. It took me over 4 years to finally figure out that acne wasn't just about my skin. Acne was my body's way of telling me that something inside was out of balance. And once I started listening to my body and addressing those root causes of acne instead of just fighting my poor skin all the time, that's when everything shifted. The reason why most acne treatments fail is because they're just superficial, surface level treatments. They're treating acne like it's just a skin condition. Using medications like retinoids or Accutane for acne is like putting a big band-aid on an open wound. That open wound needs deeper healing, but because that band-aid is on there and you can't see the open wound anymore, it's like it's not even there. But you remove that band-aid, the wound is still there. It hasn't been healed. So instead of treating acne like it's just a skin condition, you need to treat it like the sign from your body that it really is, which is this. Acne is an outer sign of internal imbalances. It's not just a skin condition. Acne is a sign that there are imbalances within your body that need healing, that are deeper than skin deep. And once you address those underlying root causes, that's when acne can heal. Let's take a quick look at some of the most common approaches for acne. The birth control pill. It suppresses acne for a time, but the moment you stop the birth control pill, all those underlying imbalances come right back and acne comes right back too. Post-pill acne, so acne that you get after stopping the birth control pill, is real and so common. I had it, many of my patients and clients had post-pill acne too, and maybe that's even your story. Accutane. It works by literally shrinking those oil glands and making it so that your skin dries out and can't produce as much sebum. And yes, for some people, this can work temporarily, their skin can clear, but a lot of studies show anywhere from 30 to 70% of people that go on Accutane relapse within 2 years. So their acne comes right back within a 2-year time frame. And why is that? It's because Accutane wasn't addressing why your skin was inflamed in the first place. Topical creams like retinoids or antibiotics, they can reduce symptoms in the short term, but they often cause dryness, burning, or resistant bacteria. And if you stop using them, then your skin just flares right up again. So it's not your fault that these things haven't worked in the long term. They were never designed to heal the root causes or address those inner imbalances that led to acne in the first place. So if acne isn't just a skin condition, then what is it really? Through my work with hundreds of women with acne, I found that the real root causes of acne fall into what I call the big 3: stress, sugar, and toxins. Let's break down each one. Stress. So when your nervous system is stuck in overdrive or survival mode and your cortisol is just all over the place, this messes with your hormones, with your digestion and immune system. All of this causes inflammation, and all of that inflammation can show up on your skin. Sugar. Unstable blood sugar levels fuel hormone imbalances and inflammation, setting the stage for acne. But it's more than just what you're eating that's driving blood sugar imbalances. Your nervous system and stress response play a big role in that as well. Toxins. Environmental toxins overwhelm your body's natural detoxification system, and your skin becomes the backup route. So it's really important to assess what environmental toxins you're getting exposed to, and also support your body's natural detoxification pathways through your lymphatics, your liver, your kidneys, your gut, and even your lungs and your skin. And here's the part almost nobody talks about. Your nervous system is at the center of it all. So think of all of these root causes of acne like layers of an onion. Your nervous system is at the core of that onion. So a dysregulated nervous system is the ultimate root cause of acne. If your body is constantly in fight or flight mode, your skin can't shift into the healing and repair mode it needs to be in order for you to heal your skin. And that's why real healing comes from the inside out. Real healing looks like rewiring your nervous system so that your body feels safe enough to heal. It looks like resetting your blood sugar levels so that they're stable throughout the day. It's supporting your detoxification pathways with the right nutrients and maybe even the right herbs. And it's about balancing your hormones with nourishing foods and healthy lifestyle practices. When you do this, your skin isn't just temporarily clear, it stays clear. Your skin becomes more resilient, more radiant, and you glow from within, truly. This is absolutely possible for you, and I also want you to know this. Having acne doesn't mean your skin is broken, your body is broken. Acne is simply your body's way of saying, hey, something internally is out of balance and I need a little bit of tender loving care. I need a little bit of attention, a little bit of nourishment, and here's how to get that. And so when you stop chasing those quick fixes and start addressing what's happening inside, what your body's asking to be healed, that's when your skin can finally clear for good. And this is exactly the approach that I teach inside my Naturally Radiant Skin program, where I guide women step by step through the acne healing journey. And so if you're ready to learn more, I'll include the link down below so that you can get started. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and subscribe, and feel free to share it with someone who needs to hear it. All right, sending you lots of love and letting you know that you deserve clear skin and to feel as radiant as you already are.